Now, this is how you can make a PDF file in your MacBook or any kind of Mac computer. And if you just want to make or create one from scratch and you don't really have anything to begin with, then I would recommend you to use the Pages software for it. So the Pages is the Apple's equivalent for Microsoft Word, and it is freely available. You should be able to find it pre-installed on your Mac. So try to look for it in your apps view. And when you open it up, you can just choose to start a new document. You can choose from the templates. You might begin with a blank one or choose from whichever ones you have available in there. Perform all of the changes, type it in, import images, do whatever you gotta do. But the point is that after you are done, you are gonna click on the file in the top left corner and click on export. And instead of exporting in the Word document, you're going to export it in a PDF. So essentially, through the Pages, you can start a brand new document, just create everything as you wish, and then export it in a PDF file, right? So that's kind of how it works. On the other hand, if you already have an existing Word document, or if you have already something else like an image or whatever, you can still use the Pages software to just import that other document and still export it in a PDF, right? So that is another approach if you already have an existing document ready for you. Still, the next approach is to use an online converter tool. So if you have an image which you want to turn into a PDF, there are websites where you can just upload that image and convert it to PDF and just save it like that. So that's even useful too. So I believe that I mentioned most of the possibilities. Let me know in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the future tutorials.